The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Streamwood, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Naperville, Elgin, Schaumburg, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, and Hinsdale. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.